All right, you guys, I am back. I've got another haul for you today. This is actually from Goodwill. I'd like to thank Upside for sponsoring today's video. Excited to share with you, and I want to jump in and show you something right away, but this item was actually free, and it was free because it was in the parking lot, and it wasn't like randomly in a bag next to a parking space. It was in the woods in front of where I was parked, and it wasn't like right on the curb, it was like in the grass. So maybe somebody went to buy it and then they decided they didn't want it and they just threw it in the wilderness. I don't know, but I was there and I felt pulled to keep it, so I did. And it's this little mail holder, super cute, hangs on the wall. You know, you do your letters, bills, and it's got this cute kind of vintagey looking post office kind of thing. Some of this is intentional and some of this is scratched. So I'm probably going to figure out a vinyl or something to put over top of that. And I may even spray paint this and put this in my office. So I'm thinking that this could be really good. And even if I put, this is a fun thing too, I was thinking about this. What if I just put oversized postcards? And maybe they were postcards about just reminding myself about mental health or reminding myself about a vacation that I took. I do like to do that, by the way. I will go, when I do go on a trip, I will send myself a postcard from the trip. And it's kind of a fun way to, get something in the mail a couple days later and just kind of remember your trip some more. And that could be something really fun. I don't have to put this bills on this, but that was free, and free is good. We've got some springtime. We've got some stuff that's coming up. This I thought was adorable. Look at this like little flower box, kind of toolboxy thing. I love how the kind of treatment is here at the top. I am probably going to paint this. It may actually even stay white, to be honest, just kind of freshen it up. And then I want to change out this. I think I'm going to braid like 2 ropes together and make this more together versus keeping it separate like that. I don't know yet, but that certainly is an option. And then this other thing is super, super cute. This birdhouse. How cute is this? For a fun DIY, this is so cool. I have plans for the lower part. This I'm going to enhance because I do kind of like this rusted out kind of top. This will be a different color coming up. You probably already know what color it's going to be. By the way, prices. This was $4.99. The little caddy was $4.09. And then of course the postal thing was free. There wasn't even a tag on it. So I don't know if somebody was going to donate it and then didn't. I don't know. You know say. This is super, super cute too. I love this bird cloche that I was able to pick up. You can tell it's been spray painted because it just feels like it's been spray painted. And it probably clipped onto something at one time. I thought it'd just be really cute to honestly just redo as a cloche and maybe even put some flowers or something or some ivy twining through it. And it could be great on my front porch, especially if I can figure out some sort of stand or something. So I thought that could be a fun DIY challenge. And this was $4.09. So $4.09 is actually really, really good. My Goodwill seems to be about in that $4.09 range. And then I don't know about you guys, but I'm out shopping around. I'm always kind of running around. And when I am doing that, I am looking for the best deal possible, not only on gasoline, but also like groceries and food items and really anything and everything possible. And that brings us to our sponsor today, Upside. So again, a big thank you to Upside for sponsoring today's video. Upside is a fantastic free app that gives you cash back on gas, on groceries, and on dining out. And you can cash out at any time. This is straight to your bank account or PayPal account, or you can even redeem that cash for gift cards for brands like Amazon, which is absolutely one of my favorites. favorites. Plus, Upside also values your privacy and your personal information. They're building a relationship with you based on trust, but also built on incredible cashback rewards. Now, I personally have been using the Upside app for over a year, and I love the flexibility that it offers. As for my cashback rewards, well, I mean, let's face it, it's no secret that I do love to shop, and I've been using mine for Amazon gift cards. So I'm curious, if you are getting all this cash back, what would you be using your cashback rewards on? So, with the holidays around the corner, every dollar counts, right? We've got travel expenses, there are endless gift ideas that we have, an endless gift list, and Upside is an easy way to earn extra cash back on essentials that you're already buying. Now, whether it's filling your gas tank, whether you are grabbing groceries, or you are dining out, Upside is going to help you save. It works at over 100,000 gas station, grocery stores, and restaurants. You can also earn 3 times more cash back compared to other loyalty programs or credit card rewards. Upside users collectively earn $1 million in cash back every single week, and top earners are getting up to $300 cash back each month. And yes, this is real money. This is not points. This is not credit. This is cash that you can transfer into your bank account, or you can use it for gift cards so you can keep shopping. Now, getting started is simple. You download the Upside app, you claim your offer for your purchase, you pay as usual with your credit card or your debit card, and you follow the app's easy to follow instructions. It's literally as easy as that. Now, we are all facing inflated pricing, and if you want to upside your budget, you can do that with the Upside app. Top earners are making as much as $300 a month. Now, if you want to find out how much you can earn, click the link in the description box, download the Upside app, use the code DIYGuy to get an extra 25 cents back for every gallon on your first tank of gas. And just in case you missed it, I'm going to say it again. Top Upside earners are making as much as $300 a month. So to find out how much you can earn, click on the link in the description box to download the Upside app, use the code DIY guy to get an extra 25 cents back for every gallon of gas on your first tank of gas. All right, you guys, definitely check out the Upside app. You can download that. There is a link here and in the description box, so you can do that very, very easily. These next things are for my house, and I've kind of got this mid-century kind of vibe that I'm trying to do anyway. And there were a couple things that I grabbed right away that I thought could be really, really fun. This bowl was one of them. This is a metal bowl. I love this ball treatment at the top here. I am going to spray paint this. I know, horrible. But I'm going to spray paint this. I'm not going to spray paint this blue, although it would look really good blue. But I want to put this on a stack of coffee table books. And then this could be for like my keys, my wallet, things like that. So super, super cute. This was $4.09. So again, super, super fun. This, oh my God, these last 2 things, I died when I saw them. I loved them so much. I have seen this item probably at like, I don't know, it was either at home or it was Target. They all have very, very similar things. I just want this for coffee table. I want it for a stack of books. Maybe I'm gonna have 2 stacks of books with the bowl on one side. But look at this metal decor piece. I'm gonna hide the tag so you don't see it right away. Work with me here. How cute is that? I don't even have to paint it. I don't have to do anything. Look at just how it's going to look with my vibe back here. I'm probably going to end up putting this, ooh, I got a stack of books on the mantle. This would look fantastic on top of. I have not done my Christmas mantle yet. I'm waiting on one thing to come in from Amazon. So hopefully that will be here soon. This was $4.09. And I know I've seen this out at least, it was at least 20 bucks. And I'm obsessed with kind of these, I don't know, industrial looking kind of, I have stars like everywhere. There's stars back there on the wall. I like star, I'm a star. And then this last item that I grabbed from Goodwill. This is going to go on my dining room table. And it was $5.09. And again, when I saw it, I grabbed it immediately, put it in my cart, claimed it as mine. And then I kid you not, there was a lady that was looking around and she was with her friend. And I heard her in the other aisle say, "Oh, I don't see the candle holder. I think somebody took it. I think somebody took it. Yeah, no, it's not there anymore. It's not there anymore." It was me. It was me. But super geometric, so it kind of sits on the coffee table or on the dining room table. I'm going to put this on my dining room table. So it kind of sits flat there. And then you've got the 3 kind of candle holders. That kind of gives you an idea of how it looks. It's basically kind of like a triangle shape. And then you've got the 4 or the 3 kind of candle holders at the top. I've got some very cool battery operated candles that are taper candles that would look really, really good in here. And I like it too because you can see this one's a little bit higher. And then you've got one that's a little bit lower. And then you've got that one that's a little bit medium. This does have one of these. I think it's that one that's a little too bent that way, but I can make it go that way pretty easily. I've got a rubber mallet that I can use to get that out of the way. But how cute is this? I wanna put this on there and show you guys. That's not where it's gonna go, but that gives you an idea at least. And super cute, right? All right, that's our haul. That's our Goodwill haul. Some fun stuff for some DIYs coming up and some home decor things. A couple people have been asking in comments about doing either like a home tour or like, a decorate with me. So let me know in the comments. Let me know if you'd like to see something like that. I tend to do a lot of like thrift store decor, and I will, try and do things on a budget for sure. So if that's something that interests you, that would be a newer kind of thing for my channel. Happy to do that. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to work now. All right, guys, until next time, I will chat with you later. Otis says bye-bye. Otis, hi, buddy. He's not gonna say nothing. But I am headed into work, which just means I'm going into the other room to my computer. And I'll bring you more content very, very soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye. Bye, Otis. Odie bud. He's not saying goodbye. It's too early for him.